Gina with WTI. When I want to quickly dress up any outfit, I reach for this black blazer from Sunfaynis. This is just the perfect classic looking blazer, and I can just throw it on top of whatever shirt I'm wearing and it instantly gives me a little bit of class. I especially love the length of the sleeves. They're 3/4 length, but they also have a little bit of elastic, so they scrunch up a bit and it just makes it really flattering. I really like that the bottom of the blazer has a little bit of swing to it. I have a pear-shaped body type, and so that little bit of swing at the bottom is a little more flattering than something that hugs too closely to my hips. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds. I got the size medium, and this fits really well. It's not too tight. This is great because the fabric doesn't wrinkle at all, so I can literally just like throw it in the back of my car and not worry that it's not gonna look good when I want to put it on. Sunfaynis has a lot of different colors and sizes to choose from, so you're sure to find the perfect fit and color for whatever outfit you want this jacket for. I just love that this jacket is so versatile, and that's my point of view.